Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet spiral border trim for any project. I have done the foundation chain that consists of 15 chains. For more beautiful look, I'm gonna do a row of double crochet stitches, so let's start. Now chain 3 to bring up the yarn and double crochet into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then double crochet into the 5th stitch 1 and make double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. So such trims you can use for blanket, continue working with double crochet till the end of this row. Let's crochet a row of spirals. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. Make single crochet into the next stitch. Let's crochet the spiral. Make chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then chain of 7 for the spiral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Then chain 3 to bring up the yarn. Then double crochet into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. In total it should be 3 double crochet. I have done the first one. 1, 2, 3. Make 3 double crochet into the each of next 5 stitches. I have done the first time. Let's crochet 4 more. 2, 3, 4, and let's crochet the 5th time. 1, 2, and 3. I have done 3 double crochet 5 times. Then 3 half double crochet into the next chain stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then single crochet into the next chain stitch. Then I wrap my spiral like this, and here how it looks. Then chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make single crochet. My first spiral is ready in this row. It based on chains. Here how it looks. Now I show you how to crochet the second spiral. Let's crochet the second spiral. Then single crochet into the next stitch. Then single crochet into the next stitch. Let's count the chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. The destination between spirals can be differently, so you determine this by yourself. So now let's look at my example. In this case I have done 8 spirals. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck in crocheting, and of course crochet with me and learn more. Bye!